So good day guys. Today we are going to learn how to fit a background to fit in with a picture or any design that you want to do with. So let me delete this and then let me just go to my gallery and then pick. Let me pick a background. Let me pick a background. So let's take an example. Here is a background, and then let me just kind of increase the size, relative size. Let's assume here is the size. Let me just let's assume this is a background, and then I want an image. Let me import an image from my gallery. So let's see. I'm using this as the main image. So if you look at here, the edges here, I cannot design with these edges here. So to perfectly do a design with this edge, you just have to let me just drag this. So let's say I want to fit the edge here. So what I would actually do is I will go to shape, and then I'll go to shape, and then I will just expand the shape here. So what I will do is I will drag down here and then pick here, which is gradient color. You go to gradient color. When you go to gradient color, this plus icon that you are seeing, just click on it. So from here you actually figure out here is directly proportional to here, and then here is directly proportional to this down here. So I don't know whether you understand this. So what will happen is I will actually click on this. I want this layer here, this axis here, to be like transparent. So what I will actually do is I will click on the layer here. I'll click on it and then go to here, color, and then what I will do is I will drag this to here. So I will drag this. Now you see the layer, the top side is actually looking transparent. So what I will do is now here I need it to be black, very black. So what I will do is I will pick that and then go to here. And then what I will do is I will drag this to the end side here. I drag it to the end side, and then here we go with this. So I can actually raise this to like here. So you can see what I'm doing. You can see actually. So you can see the effect here. The layer of the edge of the thing is actually faded. So here we go. So this is just how to fade a kind of image or to fade a shape in order to fit in a design. So you can actually use this for your design. So thank you very much for your time. So you can actually use different colors for this. You can use different color. Let's see, maybe I want to pick this. I want to pick a kind of maybe if I want to pick a color from the background, I'll just pick this, and then you see here is your background and here is the image. So I will actually tap on the background and then pick a layer, just touch on any of the color that you want. So let me pick this. So you can see I click OK. So you can see the effect of this. So you can see. So this is just how to fade a layer. So if you paraventure want to make it with another layer, you can actually click on the plus icon here. You see another layer here pop up. So if you actually want this layer to be let's say I want this layer to be another color, so I'll actually tap on it and then go to here and then pick the color that you want. Let's say I need white color, so I'll just do like this. So you see white color exists in between the transparent and the other color that we pick. So let me press on OK here so that you can see the effect of it. So you can actually see the effect of that. See the effect here. So this is just how to fit an image to fit in a background. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you very much.